Well, g'day guys, and welcome to another episode of Team Mad Mullet Fishing Adventures. This episode is just touching base on shark fishing down the Logan River, Brisbane River, or any little rivers around southeast Queensland. People think you need large gear or even medium gear to target bull sharks. Well, in fact, that's totally untrue. The gear I'm using, or we should say our family is using today, is basically brim gear. So we got these couple of combos for Christmas. Now, a 3 to 5 kilo. This is actually spilled with 8-pound braid. Team Mad Mullet rig, of course. Same rod. This one's spilled with 12-pound braid. And then we go to a Raider. This one's spilled with 20-pound. And an Excella rod. Now, that's a 3 to 7, yep, 3 to 8 kilos. Now the rigs we're using today, of course, Team Mad Mullet rigs. If you're not using Team Mad Mullet rigs, you may as well not be using anything. Very simply, how we put on the bait. It's nice and easy through the top of the bait here, so that bait is nice free swing. When the shark comes along, picks up the bait, goes to swim away, that hook will turn and pin it in the corner of the jaw. Now sinker wise, sinker is just purely to suit the current you're in. This particular sinker is a size 4. Now we're on the run out tide in the Tanamera area at the moment, so there's a bit of current, so you want to, you're not hug the bottom, but at least it roll around. Leader wise, now leader I'm actually using 20-pound. It's a little bit heavier than mainline, yes. That's purely for abrasion. So if the tail hits it, at least you got a bit of shock there, a little bit of abrasion material. So what we're doing is very simple. Just flick it out, let it go to the bottom, bail them over, loosen your drag. Now a lot of people would say, why not use a bait runner? Most people, most general fishers or fisherwomen, fishermen will only have the standard threadline outfit. So loosen the drag off nice and loose, so when that shark picks up the bait, it can move off. As soon as your reel starts going very quickly, pick your rod up, flick your bail arm over, and as the shark's taking line, lift your rod really quickly and lower it, and just nip your drag up. Try not to get your fingers caught in it, and just give her a bit of twist with your thumb and forefinger to see how tight your drag is, and just continue doing it until you feel that drag pressure is right. Flick your bail arm over, wind, and then lift your rod. Do not strike with circle hooks, because you'll just pull the hook straight out of its mouth. Alright, let's see if we can get a bull shark this afternoon for the table. Watch the slack, baby. Okay. You got that one in yet, Lil?
No.
No? Oh, nearly in. Keep winding, baby. So these BCF combos are not too bad at all for their bang for buck, that's for sure. A lot of people would think they're way too light to chase sharks, but at the end of the day, it's all how you play your shark, or play the fish, I should say. There we go, a bit of screaming action then.
It just jumped out of the water.
Oh, did it?
Yeah. You can see the splash there.
Alrighty.
What was it? Little shark.
It is a shark, baby girl.
I'll get.
Alright. We're actually just packing up to move. I picked up the rod to wind it in and it went off. Here we go, there's a trace and there's the little bully.
Can we keep it?
You want to keep it for a feed? Yeah? I'll do it. Okay.
That has red eyes.
Whoop.
Doesn't it want to?
There we go. Here you go, baby. Bring her in. Just open up your bail arm. Cute. Whoop.
It's in.
It's in the boat. Nice.
Cut its tail off.
Alright, as you can see, I've cut the tail off the shark. I know everyone out, I should say a lot of people out there wouldn't agree with it, but if you want to have the best quality out of this meat, let's cut the tail off, bleed it out. Now, if you cut the head off, it dies too quickly and you can't get a good amount of that blood out of the system. Now, the reason why we kept this particular shark is basically because it swallowed our bait, and as you see here on another note, there's someone else's hook in there. Looks like they've been chasing brim or something like that. They've maybe been using nylon and hooked this little shark and got bitten off, unfortunately. When we get back to the boat ramp, I'll show you how I fillet these sharks. Alrighty guys, so just right back to the boat ramp. Time to fillet. Now, fortunately, I only got my bait knives with me, so they're very, very blunt. And I'll show you the basics of how to fillet a shark. What we want to do, you feel the last bit of cartilage from the gills. You want to make basically a straight line. Wow, very blunt. Straight line behind the gills like that. Next thing we want to do is put the knife in till we can feel the backbone with the tip of our knife. What I do is basically keep the tip on the knife on the backbone and also follow an invisible line down the middle of the back. Right. Punch it through.
Daddy, what are you doing?
I'm filleting, baby. In a minute. There we go. So what we want to do now, if you see this line here, you want to follow that through to basically the anal fin. There we go. That's one fillet. Put him in the water there. Flip it over and do the exact same thing. Hard on the backbone once again. Alright, once again for that gut line. Wow, my knife is blunt. There we go. Side. There you go. That is one clean fillet. And what's best about the sharks is for the kids, there's no bones. It's absolutely safe. Alright guys, don't forget to give the old thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Until next time,
Cheers and good luck.
cheers and good luck.